Let's say I am giving you some examples. 1 by 2, let's say. If you make it decimal, you simply divide 1 by 2, 0.5, that means 0.5. It's okay? 7 by 10 means 0.7. Let's say 13 by 20. So you can make it long division and find its decimal, or like this we can do 13 into 20 into 5, that means 65 by 100 means 0.65. So these are the finite decimals, that means they can express in the form of P by Q. Or indirectly I can say that 0.1 means it is 1 by 10. 0.23 means it is 23 by 100. 5.493 is equal to 5.493 by, after decimal 3 places, so 1000. Okay? So terminating decimals you can easily convert them into P by Q form, or the fractions you can convert them into terminating decimals. But just look here, 1 by 3 is equal to how much? 1 divided by 3. Add decimal here, then it will be 10. 3 3s are 9. That means here 0 0 are there. So 1, then 10, then 3 3s are 9, then 1 10, 3 3s are 9, and so on. That means 0.3333, so on. Okay? Let's say 5 by 9 is equal to how much? So do one thing, 5 divided by 9, decimal 50, 9 5 ja 45, then again 5, 50, 5 ja 45, again 50, that means it is 0.555 like this. That means in inversely we can say that these are also non-terminating decimals. These are non-terminating, these are terminating, but these are non-terminating, but repeating. 3 3 3 3, that means 3 is repeated. Here 5 is also repeated. It's okay? That means non-terminating but repeating or recurring. So they can express in the form of P by Q. That means 1 by 3 is recurring. 5 by 9 is recurring. It's okay? So like this, I am telling you previously that all finite and recurring decimals are rational numbers. It's okay? Now we will discuss how you are able to know that whether the fraction is a terminating or non-terminating. If it is terminating, after how many places it will get terminated. So fraction is given to you. Without long division method, how you are able to know that whether it is a terminating or non-terminating? Or if it is terminating, then after how many places it will get terminated? It's okay? Let's say 5 by 8, 7 by 80, 13 by 15, like this. Whether these are terminating or terminating, it is 5 by 2 cube, it is 7 by, factorize this, it is 16 5, that means 2 to the power 4 into 5, it is 13 by 3 into 5. You just check the denominator first, factorizing the denominator and check it. If the denominator is only the factor of 2 or only the factor of 5 or factor of both 2 and 5, that means no other factor is present, then it is a terminating decimal. Except 2 or 5, if any other factor is there, in that case it is non-terminating. Non-terminating means it is a recurring decimal. It's okay? Non-recurrings are only irrational numbers. Okay? We will discuss later on about the irrational numbers. Okay? Here you just see it is a terminating decimal, but terminate after terminating decimal, terminate after 3 place. It is a terminating decimal, terminate after 2 to the power is 4, here 5, that means highest exponent of 2 is 4, therefore it is terminate after 4 place. But here this is a non-terminating decimal because here 3 is another factor. So if any other factor is there except 2 and 5, in that case it is a non-terminating decimal, but it is a recurring decimal. Previously I have checked that means 1 by 3, let us say 5 by 9 or 4 by 7, these are all non-terminating but recurring decimals. If denominator is only the factor of 2 or 5 or both, in that case they are terminating decimal. And how many places they will get terminate? You can easily check it from the factor highest exponent of either 2 or 5. Let me give you another example. Let us say 41 by 250. It means 41 by 250 make it factorize. That is 125 into 2. That means 5q into 2. That means here you will notice that highest exponent of 5 is, it is a terminating because 5 and 2 is there. Okay? But it will terminate after 3 place. It's okay? Clear about this? Now we will discuss how to convert a terminating decimal into p by q form or a rational number. This is the most important part of this chapter also. One question will come from this. Okay? So very carefully listen here. It will take more time. I will explain various pattern of recurring decimals, how they convert to rational numbers. Okay? Or p by q form. So carefully observe here, from the beginning you observe this. Before we discuss, you know that 0.3 into 10, how much? It is 3. Okay, because this is 3 by 10, let us say 0.125 into 10 is equal to how much? The decimal will shift 1 place, that is 1.25. 0.125 into 100, how much? It is, decimal will shift 2 place, because it is by 1000, so 2 0 will cut, only 10 will remain. You make it 125 by 1000. So you cut it, by 10 will remain. So it, or you can shift the decimal to 2 place, that means 12.5. Convert the following in p by q form. It's okay? So let us start. Let's say 0.3 bar, or the question will come like this, 0.3333, so on. Your aim is to convert this in the form of p by q. So let us start how to solve this. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar means 0.33 and so on. Let x is equal to this much. So what is 10x? 10x means you multiply this by 10, so decimal will shift 1 place. 1 place means this is 3333 continued, so it will shift 1 place means 3 point. Now again it is 3333 repeated means it will be 3 bar. Here it is infinite number of 3's are there. If you shift 1 3 to the left side, again also infinite number of 3's are there. So it will be 3.3 bar. 10x minus x. 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. That means this is 9x is equal to 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. Just look here, 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. It's okay. So if you subtract this, 3 bar will cut 0. Now it will be 3. So here 3. So now that implies x is equal to how much? 3 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. So 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. You understand this? Let's say 0.23 bar. How to solve this? You know that 0.23 bar means 0.23, 23, 23, like this it will continue. That means 23 will repeat. So first let x is equal to 0.23 bar. So if you take 10x, so decimal will shift here, but this number 10x is not required. Just look here, why I am not taking 10x. If you take 10x, this decimal will shift one place. That means if from here, then it will be 2323 means 23 bar. If you shift only one place, 3 is not repeated continuously, 23 is repeated. Therefore, you directly take 100x. So what will happen? Decimal will shift 2 place, means here 2 place, again 2323 is repeated, that means 23.23 bar. You understand this line? Now do one thing, subtract this from this, 100x minus x is equal to 23.23 bar minus 0.23 bar. So this will be 99x, 100x minus x 99x, 23.23 bar minus 0.23 bar. So this will cut, only 23 will remain, or x is equal to 23 by 99. 0.237 bar means 0.237 like this. So I am speed up now. Let x is equal to 0.237 bar. So instead of taking 10x, directly take 1000x, it will shift here. Okay? So 1000x is equal to 237.237 bar. Now subtract this from this bar number will cut. That means 1000x minus x is equal to 237.237 bar minus 0.237 bar. That means it is 999x is equal to 237. So x is equal to 237 by 999. Another important question, this is previous year question, 0.001 bar. Okay, how to solve this? Is equal to, you know that 0.001 like this. So let x is equal to this much. So directly 1000x is equal to 0.001 bar means once you multiply by 1000 means this will come to this place. 0.001 means 0.001 like this it will continue. So once you multiply this by 1000 means decimal will come to here. That means it will be 1.001 bar. So now 1000x minus x, that means 999x is equal to this minus this is 1, or x is equal to 1 by 999. Another question I will discuss, let's say 5.9 bar is equal to, you know that 5.999 like this. Let x is equal to 5.9 bar. So directly here one number is there in between bar, so 10x is equal to 59.9 bar. So 10x minus x, 59.9 bar minus 5.9 bar. So 10x minus x is 9x, which is equal to 59.9 bar minus 5.9 bar. So what will do? This will cut. Now 59 minus 5 is 54. So x is equal to 54 by 9 or is equal to 6. So here maybe one question I will ask you that 5.9 bar you get is equal to how much? 6. So whether it is 100% correct? No. Actually 5.9 bar is nearly equal to 6 because 5.9 bar is 5.99999999 like this. That means it is less than 6 by 0.00000000001 like this, infinite 0, 1. That means it is nearly equal to 6. So how we get 6 here? Because here in the 10x part we shift one 9 to this side. That means here 9 bar, if 9 bar is infinite number of 9s, then here 9 bar is just one less from that. Therefore we get equal to 6. But it is not actually equals to 6, it is approximately or nearly equals to 6. It's okay? Let's say 0.23 only 3 bar. It's okay? How to convert this? So is equal to this is 0.23, then 3 is repeated. It's okay? So how to solve this pattern? Let x is equal to 0.23 bar. Means 0.233 like this. So what is your 10x? Why I need 10x? Because I shift this decimal up to bar, okay? That means 2.3 bar. That means when you make the subtraction, you observe that the bar numbers must be cut, okay? Then only you are able to solve them in the form of p by q. So 10x is equal to 2.3 bar. Now again 100x. So another decimal shift another place, that is 23.3 bar. Now what you will do? 100x minus x, previously we have done 10x minus x or 100x minus x, but here from this if you subtract x, it will not subtract easily because the point after point 2 is there. But these two you can subtract easily, that means this bar number will cut. So we will discuss number of questions like this. So first you observe where the bar are present, that means 2 bar number if you subtract they will cut. So now here it is 100x minus 10x is equal to 23.3 bar minus 2.3 bar, that means this is 90x is equal to 3 bar will cut, 23 minus 2 that is 21, or x is equal to 21 by 90. Similarly another pattern we will do here, let's say 0.437 only bar on the 7 is equal to, how you will write it? 0.437, 7 will repeat. So let x is equal to this. First find, if you find 10x, decimal will come one place only. But I am telling you that find 2 numbers, that means the bar will start from the decimal. Okay? So shift this decimal to here, directly make 100x here. So what it will be? 43.7 bar. So 1 bar number come after decimal. Okay? So do one thing, 1000x. So this will come to here, that means here. So 437.7 bar. Now you can subtract it easily, that means bar will cut. It's okay? So you can get your desired number. So 1000x minus 100x is equal to 437.7 bar minus 43.7 bar. So this will be 900x is equal to, this will be bar will cut here like this if you subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 minus 4 is, that is 13 minus 4 is 9, then 3 by how much? That means this much, or x is equal to 394 by 900. Now simplify it, cut it by 2 or 4, anything it will cut, you simplify it and write the answer. Let's say another pattern we will discuss. Let's say 0.432 bar on 32. You just observe the different pattern I am doing, then after that I will give you some question, you try on your own at your home. Okay? Then it will be easier and you can easily understand how to solve them, and you are clear about this also. So it is advised to do all the questions I will give after this question. Okay? This equals to 0.432, that means 32 will repeat it, that means again 32, 0.432 like this. Or we can say that let x is equal to 0.432 bar. Now find, so bring this decimal to this place, that means 10x is equal to 4.32 bar. Why I am taking 10x? Here I am taking 100x because two numbers are there. That means I need one decimal number before bar. So here that one place the bar starts, therefore I am taking 10x. Now to get the other number decimal you have to shift another 2 place. That means here. That means again 2 bar will continue. That means directly 1000x. So this will shift another 2 place. Or from here 1000x means 1, 2, 3 place it will shift. That means 432.32 bar. So now you can subtract these two. Okay. So 1000x minus 10x is equal to this minus this, 432.32 bar minus 4.32 bar. So here it is 990x is equal to, this will cut, 432 minus 4 is 428. So x is equal to 428 by 990. You got it, simplify it. Make it simplify, dividing by 2, 2, that means simplest form we will write it. That means here you observe that all recurring decimals we convert them into P by Q form. It's okay? These are the questions you try on your home, practice it, okay? 0.5 bar means it is 5 by 9, it is 27 by 99, it is 453 by 999, 273 by 999, this is 5, these are the answers. This is 23 by 90, 25 minus 2 that means 23, 23 by 90, this is 43 by 90, this is 4273 minus 427, this much by 900, this is 201 minus 20, that means 181, 181 by 90, this is 1 by 999, this is 1 by 900, this is 4237 minus 423, what it will come by 900, this is, bar starts from here, 237 minus 2 that means 235 by 990, this is 123 minus 1 that means 122 by 990, this is 0.5, it's okay.